welcome to Online Q's, your YouTube channel for your online query. Now in this video I'll show you how you can use the Walkie-Talkie feature on Instagram. It's the latest addition to the Instagram app, and you have to make sure that you update your Instagram app. So go into the Google Play Store or the App Store on your phone and easily update the app for help on how to update your Instagram app to the latest version. You can kind of check back on one of our previous video that we did on how to update the Instagram app. So make sure that you signed into your Instagram account. So this is how it indicates by showing you your Instagram handle and your Instagram profile feed. So just go to your home of your Instagram app, it will show you the news feed of your Instagram account. So click on this home icon on the bottom left corner of your screen, and then you go into your direct message inbox by clicking on this arrow icon on your top right corner of the screen, and then you just go and click on any of the friends that you have on Instagram. So you click here, and then you can see the walkie-talkie icon is represented by a microphone that is next to the picture icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. So to record a message, just click on this. So you have to press and hold to record. It's not letting me kind of record a message, so I will just show you that you can do this, and make sure that you hold on to the icon while you're recording. Please don't let go, because it will immediately stop recording or immediately forward it without you having to finish your message. Now voice message has to be lesser than a minute, that is 60 seconds, and you can also, while recording the message, you can slide to the left of the screen where a delayed icon will appear, and once you drag it right over the delayed icon, then you can delete that message and re-record it to send it to one of your friends. So this is how you can use the walkie-talkie feature, and you can also video call your friend on Instagram as well. So this is how you can kind of communicate on Instagram by using more than text messaging. You can now use the walkie-talkie feature to record your messages, or you can use the video calling feature to video call any of your friends on Instagram. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.